My name is Evan Cox. I'm a civil engineering student at Gonzaga University.
My name is Jack Burns, and I'm a senior mechanical engineering student at Gonzaga University.
My name is Sean McCurdy. I'm a senior mechanical engineer at Gonzaga.
Hey, my name is John Harvey. I'm a senior mechanical engineering student at Gonzaga University.
So our idea is that anybody who owns that bike frame could use our kit and in a weekend simply and safely convert their bike into an electric motorcycle.
Initially, we started the project. I was stoked that we got the frame itself because that's going to be a key component in creating the kit. But I had no idea really how to put that into SolidWorks itself.
We would not be able to create a three-dimensional model just by using SolidWorks. That would be really difficult to do by hand. It might not even have been possible.
So we tried to use something called photogrammetry, and we took about 400 photos of the motorcycle frame and then aligned those photos in a software program. That whole process was very frustrating. It's still running right now, and it's been rendering for about 4 days now.
My name is Garrett Klein. I'm a senior application engineer at Quest Integration.